Hello viewers, improve your English in Pashto. Viewers, watch complete video and learn new sentences. Breathe the tea. Breathe the tea. Chai uske yada se हम वेलिशु take tea. Chai uske chai वाखले. Well sentence de I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy. Zo the خوب احساس کوم. Feel احساس. Lay the table. Sentence de lay the table. Means cake de. Lay means cake de. Clean your nose. Clean your nose. خپل پوزه پاکه کړئ. Clean your nose. Sentence day. He is a big man. He is a big man. Big means غټ. Man سړی. هغه لوی سړی دی. Sentence day. He is a spendthrift. He is a spendthrift. هغه یو پزول خرچه دی. Sentence day. This note is forged. This note is forged. The note jali de. Forged means jali. It is a tough fight. It is a tough fight. Da یو سخته جګړه وه. She told us. She told us. هغې موږ ته وویل. She was wrong. Sentence day. She was wrong. هغه غلطه وه. هغه غلطه وه.